Good morning, sir. My name is Ernesto Cosentino. My student number is W1939035, and today I'll be demonstrating my app FinTrack. So, first and foremost, I want to run you through all the features that are being implemented, and features that are also missing. And I want to show you what I have done so far in this final year project. So here we saw the app launch. The app has also an icon. I don't know if you saw, sir. Here, boom, the app launches. It has a login with Face ID or sign up functionality. The functionality sign up is not yet implemented, so it says sign up coming soon, and it shows a pop-up. However, the login with Face ID is implemented. It is missing the login with it misses the login with email and password. However, because I do not have a super user set up, I didn't set up the email and password login. However, it says your device does not support Face ID. To enable this on your simulator, sir, you have to go to features, Face ID enrolled, and then you have to run it again. Sometimes it doesn't work just like this, and I'm glad it's not working now, because we can go here and we can stop it, and then we can run it again. Sometimes that happens, but it mostly should work. And when that doesn't happen, it's probably because of the simulator. We're gonna enroll it again now, and we're gonna see if it works. Like you see, sir, here, if it says that's an error catching mechanism I have. But if it says that the Face ID is not working, all we gotta do is restart the simulator or relaunch the app, and it will work. If we do features, Face ID enabled, and then we do matching face. First we're gonna do not matching face, and we're also gonna see that it's not gonna work, and then we can do try again. And when we do try again, I need to fix that. There's an error, but we will fix that in the future. But I could cancel it, and then I could do login with Face ID again, and we can go here, and then we can see that the Face ID works. It goes on, and this is the home screen of my app. Obviously, the app is not initialized and it's not set to anything, so we can see here that we have a home screen with the budget, the amount spent, the remaining budget, the proportion of spending, and then we have here a category of spending as well. Here we have this is the home screen, and in the home screen we have a settings bar which is getting implemented, so nothing happens when we press on it. However, this is getting implemented as well. So we have four icons: home, expenses, trends, and budgets. So when we go to budgets, first and foremost, we can come here and we can enter a budget. Let's say our budget for the month is around £1,000. So we click on enter budget, and let's say we have £1,200, and let's say we add a budget, and we can see here we have a current budget, amount spent, remaining budget. So when we go to our home screen now, we can see that we have a budget of 1,200, and we can see that we have a progress bar showing that we have 100% of the budget remaining. All right, now that we have that, we can see here on the expenses, we can see also the same screen. On the trends, we see the same header coming here, showing us the amounts we spent, the budgets we have, and etc. So here we have a manual expense entry. Like I said, this app will have both manual and automatic expense categorization. However, the automatic expense categorization is yet to be implemented. So here we have categories that we can select. So let's say we spent £12 on food today, and then let's say I spent £10 on transportation, and let's say I spent £5 on entertainment. Let's say I went to see it to, sorry sir, let's say I spent £5 on entertainment, and then let's say that I spent £12 on another category, and we can add custom categories as well. And let's say I spent it on, let's say, school, and then I can add the expense. You can see now I have school, I added it, and here as I add everything we can see the amounts I spent. And then let's say I spent £800 on my on other things, so we can see the progress bar going down, the amount we spent going up. And when we go to the home screen now, we can see different proportions of spending. We can also see how much money we spent, and as we can delete this, we can see its update. And we also have a trends view here that shows different trends by category, also by the proportion of our spending, and also spending over time. Obviously, because it's every spending we have here is today, it only shows it today, and it shows how much we have spent today so far. And if I, let's say, come here and delete my rent or my others, sorry, you can see it's updating dynamically, and you can see that data has passed through all the views and shows different trends and different spending habits that we may have. So we have these features implemented now. We in the future we need to implement we need, for the budget, for the setting budget, we need to implement the create monthly budget by category. We want the app to allow users to create budgets for each category specifically, and to also show it in this category on this category by on this trends view by category, and how much we spent in regards to the amount we had set. And also here we will have different charts that we can toggle around and see different categories and different money we spent on this view too. We'll have bars like this on these view to see how much we spent in regards to how much money we actually allocated to that category. Finally, we will also implement the financial goal setting and financial progress in either in this budget view. We will add it here, or either we'll add we'll add a fifth nav bar view to add the financial goals and to view also the financial progress. And then we will have a financial view that will, and then we can have a plus button on the right hand side to add financial goals and to set them. And also for the trends, we will also talk to financial advisors and implement visual displays and charts that are based on facts and based on actual financial advisors, and we will see what users actually need to see. And then after that, we also need to implement the budget threshold, the financial milestone alerts, the budget threshold alerts, the financial milestone alerts, the reminder to update expenses and goals alerts. We also have to implement the manage accounts here on the settings, and one big implementation we have to do is to implement the Played API, so that we can link we can have expenses coming in automatically from our accounts. And also we need to create the Swift data and to have data and to save it and to create a database, so that we can have users sign up, and so that they can sign back in, and the app doesn't start from empty, but starts from wherever they were at. Let's say they were spending money. When they sign back in, they should have whatever they had used, it should be saved, and we need to implement that. And this is what I have done so far, and this is my demonstration. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of my project. I can't wait to show you where the app will go in a couple of months. Thank you very much.